We'll begin today's lesson over on the left side of the page and draw the bottom edge of the brow. So we start down here, we're going to draw a curve that goes up, and we bend that out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to add a point, going out, and then bending that in. And we want to work our way across the top of the brow. So starting here, we're going to go up, right at the top, and then bend that down. Now we're going to continue adding these layers as we go over towards the right. So we're going to start from the top of this curve, we're going to go up, and then down. Let's add a few more. From this top, going up, and then down. Starting from the side, we go around, and then in. Now from this line, we go back in towards the left, curve this down, and then up. And we want to close out the end with an oval. So we're going to step down, curve this around, up, and then in. We're going to go all the way back over toward the left side. We're going to tuck the eye in underneath the brow. We're going to start from here, curve this down, and then up with a half oval. And then we're going to draw the character looking over towards the right. So halfway along the top of the eye, curve down and across. On the top right side, add an oval, and it'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Let's go back to this point in the brow. We're going to add a curve. We're going to go out and then up. And then we're going to tuck the horn in behind. So we're going to step down, then it's out and then up toward the tip of the horn. Then it's down and then pull that in. Now step over, add a curve, coming down and in. Step back over to the left, draw the muzzle, coming down and out. Around at the muzzle, come all the way around the bottom, and then just pull that up, aiming towards the eye. Let's go back to the outside of the eye. We're going to step over, curve the side of the face. We're going to come down and just tuck that in. Now inside the muzzle, we're going to draw two ovals for the nostrils. One just up against the edge. Move all the way over and draw one more. Now from here, we're going to draw the top of the hair. We're going to start on top of the horn, then it's around and then in. Step back, curve this around and then up. Let's add a point, bend this down, add another one. Going all the way around and in, bend this down. I'm just going to curve this last one, going up and then bend that in. Let's step up towards the side and wave the hair, going up, out, and then up towards a point. Curve this down and then in. Let's add another point, but we're just going to curl this out towards the right, back in, and then round at the side and just tuck that in behind the brow. Now the left brow is going to get tucked in behind the head. So we're going to start up here, bend this up and out, curve this in behind the horn, continue along the bottom, and then in towards the face. Let's go back underneath the brow and draw the side of the head. We're going to start up here, curve this down, and then bend that in towards the neck, bend the neck, coming down and then out. Let's go underneath the muzzle, curve the front of the neck, coming down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the outside of the head. We're going to draw the hair coming down and out, curl that back in. We're going to add a point, just curl this around the outside and then in. Let's add a couple layers, stepping down, add one curve, and we'll add one more, tucking that in towards the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We'll start from the base of the neck, bend this out and then down, bend this up to create a point. Let's add another point, coming down, and just pull that up towards the base of the neck. Let's add that fur going across the back, coming down and then up, bend this in and then down. Now I'm going to add one more point, bend this up, and then in toward the bottom of the neck. From the side of the fur, we're going to draw the back. We're going to go up, round out the body, come down, and then in, bend this out towards the leg, and then curve this down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom, come down and up, bend this up and then in, and then curve this out, up, and then across. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the fur, bend the front leg coming down and then out towards the same height, round out the bottom of the leg. I'm just going to taper the legs so it gets a little bit narrower as it comes up towards the body. In between the legs, step down, we're going to add a curve. Let's separate the bottom of the legs with a curve. Let's draw the hind leg coming out from the right side. So we're gonna start down here, bend this out, curve this down a little bit higher than the front leg, and then in, step up, and add a curve. Let's bend that front hind leg. We're gonna start from the front, bend this down and out, round up the leg, coming in. Now I'm gonna come over towards the right side. We're gonna see the bottom of the foot, and then angle that back up and behind. Let's finish off with that large tail. We're gonna start from the top of the back, going up, come down and then up, then this down and then in. Let's go to the bottom of this curve, come down, curl that up, then this around and then in, step back, add another curve. And we'll finish off the bottom with one more point coming down. Now I just want to pull this back up towards the base of the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our dog Keldeo from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.